Let's make a fun slide animation with an ice cream cone. It's easy, looks super cool, and will definitely impress your audience. Let's dive in. First, grab an ice cream cone image and rotate it. Now, add a slide title. That's your title slide done. Simple, right? Next, add a new slide and type in some text. Copy the ice cream cone from the previous slide. This helps create a smooth animation. Now draw a transparent rectangle to highlight the stats for the ice cream. That's slide 2 done. Add a new slide, and once again, copy the ice cream cone from the previous slide. Rotate it to the other side. Now, add a slide title, some stats, and a short description. That's your third slide ready to go. Add another slide and paste more ice cream cones. Copy the cone from the previous slide. This keeps the animation smooth. Shrink the ice cream cone. Add the slide title, and you're done. To make a fifth slide, just duplicate the fourth one. Rotate and rearrange the cones. Update the title and adjust the description text. That's it. Your fourth slide is good to go. Now for the fun part, animation. Select all the slides and apply the morph transition. Hit play and watch how smoothly the ice cream cone flies from one slide to another. It looks awesome, right? But let's make it even better. To add a push from bottom animation, add the content from the next slide to the bottom of the current slide. Add the content from the current slide above the next slide. Leave the ice cream cone as is. Do this for all the slides, and the push effect will work perfectly. Bonus, I've got over 200 plus PowerPoint slides designed just for you. And there you have it, a smooth, eye-catching slide animation. If you love this, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Download them now using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.